Alright, I just want to record this call to the Randolph County Sheriff's Office to ask about the bike laws. Yeah, hello, I was wondering if I could talk to somebody about traffic laws.
Hold on 1 second. 25 ran off 945 ran off County 5 too. Randolph County 5 2. 9412 Randolph County. Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
What kind of questions do you have?
Yeah. I moved to the area recently, and I'm kind of new to the area, and I don't know the laws about like cycling, commuting by bicycle, like how far you're supposed to stay off the curb and how far cars are supposed to be when they pass and that kind of stuff.
For bicycles?
Yeah, because I can't find it online.
Okay. Hold on 1 second. Hello, Jerry. I'm Randolph County Sheriff's Department.
Yeah, hello. I moved to the area recently, and I commute by cycling, like I'm a cyclist. And I was wondering if you guys had laws in the county about how far to the curb a cyclist has to be, or how far a car has to be when passing and stuff like that, because I can't find it on the internet.
As far as traveling on our highway?
As far as traveling on any road, like say I'm going down the main road and
Are you talking about a city or the county roads?
either, like especially the city.
If you're in the city, you need to use the sidewalk.
Even when I'm going 30 miles an hour on a bike.
Do you have lights on your bike?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Well, then if you're visible, then you can travel on the road if you can go 30 mile an hour, like you say.
Yeah, I mean, cycling's what I do.
If you can ride 30 mile an hour and you have a light on your bike, I don't have a problem with you being on the road.
Right, but what I'm wondering is in like my other city, you could be up to 3 feet off the curb, and cars had to be 3 to 5 feet away, or when they passed and stuff like that.
Yeah, there's no specifications on that. Obviously, if I was riding a bike, I would want to be on the sidewalk to stay out of traffic so I don't get hit, but you use your judgment on what you feel safe.
Well, I mean, I ride on 23mm tires on a road bike, and it's meant to go on the road at fast speeds.
Okay. Yeah. If you have a light, ride the road. You can go 30 mile an hour, ride the road.
Alright, what are my rights on the road then? As a cyclist.
I'm sorry?
What are my rights on the road as long as I'm using my signals and my lights?
Yeah.
So I do have a right of way on the road then if I use my hands and my lights?
I would say so.
Okay. I was just making sure. Alright. Thanks. Well, I guess we're gonna go to Walmart and get some groceries before we take Skilo to the dog park. This is the tool I was talking about earlier, I think, in an earlier video maybe. But it was only 59 cents from China, but it's just as accurate as my digital one. I use it for bike parts, but yeah, I turn this back down to 75 watts, even though it's recommended at like 80 through 100, I think. Where's that at? Yeah, best at 80 through 90, which is too harsh for me. And I think if you bump up your wattage, you're also going to lose more juice faster, just because you're vaping at a higher watt. And all mine are on soft except for my Stick V8, which I cannot change to soft. This is my at-home one. You guys know my Stick V8 is my CBD, and my Majesty is my carry one. But yep, let's get to Walmart. Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm on the road to death, I call it, because cars do not give a shit on this road. And I'll even put in this video the call to the Sherriff department I made about how bikes have the right of way as long as we have our lights, our reflectors, and use our hand signals. I average around, I don't know, 13 to 15 miles per hour while vlogging. But when I'm not vlogging, I can get up to like 25 miles per hour in this town. Like this hill I just climbed, it's one of the biggest ones. The problem in Indiana is you don't have real tall peak climbs. You just have really, really, really long, stretched out country road fucking hills, man. And they suck. I'm still getting used to this top two stem shifter or whatever. It's the Suntour 7. And it's a really nice, it's really nice system actually. I don't know if you can see the cars, if they do not give a shit about bikes. I think that truck up there ran a red light. But we're going to Walmart to get some food, and I might have to stop at Aldi's, but I don't want to. So let's go see what Walmart has. Got the confetti cake and confetti icing. Well, we're out on the road. I got Skilo with me. I don't know if you can see him. It's pretty dark. I'll go ahead and turn the light on, I guess. Anyway, we're just out on the test strip. I can't get the light on, but oh well. I'm holding a dog and riding a bike and watching for traffic. Where you at, Skilo? Come on, get in frame. Little bastard. There he is. He's kind of hard to see. He saw some piss on everything. That stupid white line, of course. Oh well, let's take him back home. Well, I guess we're back and we're about to use the Pathfinder, I guess. CBD, always in the Stick V8 with the TFV8 Baby, Beast, and then I have the X-Baby on this, and then I have the TFV12 Prince on this. I have them all on soft except this, which is, as you guys know, unregulated, I think it is. Like, it just goes until the battery dies. And I always have the portholes, like, only like halfway on this, and I'll even cover some with my finger. The rest of them, I keep the portholes open all the way. But that's all the CBD I got left, and this little one right here. Probably like one more refill, and I'm broke as a joke, unemployed, live in rural Indiana, and I don't have a farm, so I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, I guess. Been looking for a job. I got a whole $38 unemployment check, so exotic carts, apple fritters, 80 to 85%. Watching one of my favorite shows, Ghost Adventures. I really wish Nick would have stayed on, but oh well. he does that thing with Katrina or whatever, but it's just like a 72-hour lockdown, and I don't know. I really liked on Ghost Adventures. It just sucks that they couldn't get along, I guess. Got some better lighting going on now. See, there's my bullet grinder. It works really, really good, especially for just a little bit. And it does have a keep collector in it on the bottom. It looks like bullets, like a revolver, but obviously it's not. It even says bullet grinder on the what's supposed to be the primer butt or whatever the show. This is the apple fritters. So smooth. And then this one is the Skywalker. But yeah, sorry about the bike videos with the parts with the line, and the videos probably gonna look a little weird. Skilo was being a butthead and dragging me everywhere. But anyway, it's funny, this stuff smells more when I break it up than it does when I vape it, because there's like no smell when you vape it, really. I mean, there is, but it's different, and it don't stay around at all. The easiest way you're gonna load your Pathfinder, if you're gonna get a card like that, and crease one side of it, and then of course you need the Pathfinder. And then you just, there's the Pathfinder, and then you tap it in there. There we go. Oh, alright, Pathfinder's ready, it's on. Hold the button down for a couple of seconds, turn the oven on. I don't know if you can see it, but, oh damn it, come on Mikey. I do this all the time. After it hits about 300, it starts climbing really fast. It's a really nice unit. Right there is where you put the battery. I mean, not battery, but the charger. I wish they came with the externals, but I guarantee this has an 18650 in it. I'm gonna get my mouthpiece out. It's a little silicone mouthpiece. All it does is go over the top and it sticks. It's not gonna give you a big blast unless you turn it all the way up and burn your shit. There's no point in that because what you're wanting is you know, the cannabinoids, not the smoke. Definitely gonna be ready to eat in a little bit. CBD, THC, and the Pathfinder. I think I'm gonna be a little hungry. Of course, sporting a Mega on the back of the Pathfinder. And it's like half of one of my quarter pack a day. And I roll my own. So I've had like a bag of tobacco for like a fucking month. And it's still full. Pencil. Oh, it's hot. Watch out if you go to clean the screen while you and use, because it's pretty fucking hot. I didn't click it back on all the way. There we go. Apple fritters. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go smash some food after this. It's awesome because when this thing's cached, it'll turn off on its own, but I just turn it up to 4/10, and I will wait a couple minutes. These aren't really for like parties or anything like that. For say 2-3 people at the most. It's really more of a medication device. See it turned off, and it is cached. And it is easier to clean it out while it's cached. Use my dab tool since I barely ever have any freaking wax anymore. Wrong ashtray, dang it. Can't save it either. Oh well. I only got a whole freaking bowl full. Make cooking oil with it. Because you don't have to, forget what it's called, but it's where, you heat the weed in the oven to turn the THC into THCA or something like that. I slept all day yesterday, and I didn't mean to either. Like, cause I sleep in a basement. It's a finished basement, like a flat almost, and there's no windows, and I still thought it was like early morning because I came back down and I actually sat up to do a video. I sat everything up to do a video, and I was just so tired from being up sick and puking and everything for so long that I just freaking passed out for like 2 damn days. Put that nasty cigarette out. Some CBD. I mean, I'm obviously getting CBD and CBN and stuff out of this, but the CBD in this is way stronger. I mean, 3,000 milligrams versus like, what, 5% maybe. Apple fritters, and this is Skywalker. And a Majesty, of course, which has been my go-around one. It's easily carryable. It has the top port, so it doesn't really it don't leak. I'm a Smok fan. Like all three of my mods are Smok. I have like 11 iJoys. I do like the iJoy Avenger. T-Priv 3 would have to be my favorite. And then the Majesty. And then the V8. And I have more glass coming for these too, because I already have an extra glass for this. And I have like smoky black and a clear one. I think the smoky black one's for this. But I have a strawberry cream and rainbow cookies by Verdict, Mega, and this. This one I have hemp bombs, CBD, pineapple crush, and this one I have a mix of Mega, Verdict, Mega, Watermelon Rush Ice, Verdict Mega Mango Rush Ice, and a tad bit of Party Punch by Aqua Smoke. A lot of people probably haven't tried Aqua Smoke because it's like an everywhere sold thing around here. Like they even sell it at some gas stations, but they have a huge variety. Like my smoke shop that I go to is huge. They even have like a humidifying room with cigars and crap. But they got the biggest selection ever. Like their watermelon is off the chain, so is their peach. But their fruit fusion is really good. Like right here is all my go-to juices. I have baskets of juices. These are my go-tos right here. You can see all the glass ones are Aqua Smoke. This is what the CBD one looks like. The hemp bombs. It's weird. It's 16.5 milliliter. This is the Party Punch. Right here, sweet and tardy. It's pretty good. Right here's our fruit fusion. But right here is my go-to. Bam! And I need more. Seriously. I don't know what I'm gonna do if I run out of that. Probably go nuts, honestly. So let's take one more apple fritters and CBD, and I'm gonna go upstairs, smash food, and calm down. So good and smooth. Alright, well, if you haven't done that one day, especially an adventure, go ride a bike and ride a vintage steel bike. or you're not cool. No, I'm just playing. Go ride any bike, I don't care. And also, hit that like, hit that subscribe. I could really use it. I really need it. I'm gonna get back to Pokesesh as soon as I get some money coming in, which I hope will be soon. I hope. But alright, I'm gonna take one for you and peace out.